Hello, everybody. Welcome. This is Designing Women Christmas in July, and I am joined by this lovely group of women. And we have some great Christmas gifts to share with you that you could make between now and Christmas and have a stash ready to use as gifts and to give away to those that you love. Some of these are perfect for scraps. Some of them you can tailor exactly to your color choices, but they're designed to have fun and to be quick and easy.
Hi guys, my project is a bag that I've revamped. So a couple of years ago, I was asked to make a trick or treat bag for kids to gather trick or treat candy in. As a mother of three boys, we usually ended up with pillowcases. So this is a cinch sack. It's a quilted cinch sack that they can wear on their back. Well, Halloween isn't really appropriate for the holidays, and I participate every year with our church in Operation Christmas Child. And they recommend a cinch sack be put in the boxes so that the children have a way to carry the gifts that you've given them as well as their school books and things. So I have revamped the cinch sack so that you can make them and include them in your Operation Christmas Child box. If you're going to give them to someone you know, you can make them any way you would like. If you're going to send them to Operation Christmas Child, no holiday fabrics, no religious icons can be on it. Many of the children are in areas where religious icons could get their whole family in trouble. So the pattern is going to be available on my website. It'll cost $5 through the end of August. It's normally a $12 pattern. If you buy the pattern and make a bag, if you send me a picture of you donating it to Operation Christmas Child, I will give you a $5 coupon to use towards another purchase in my website. So I would love for everybody that gets this to at least make one so that we can put a quilty hug around all of the children all over the world.
Cool. I love that, Laura.
I love the colours too. Yeah. I can see that in some ombre sort of blues or something like that as well. It'd be so good. Lots of options.
I think I have a few things in my stash that might be perfect for those. That's a lovely offer too. Thank you, Laura.
Laura, what did you use on the strap?
It's a folded strip of fabric.
Got it.
So I cut the fabric 3 inches and then folded it like bias tape into the middle and then in half. And cool. The fabrics are Terry Van Bosch's vegetable line. So this will be great for like the farmer's market, as your reusable bag. Cool. They're also fantastic for gym bags if you still have kids at home because you can throw it in the washing machine. It's completely fabric and it won't disintegrate and perfectly good. But yes, the straps are just fabric. I lined them with some SF 101 just to give them a little extra oomph, which is just the interfacing.
Excellent. Merry Christmas in July, everybody.
Bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.